Good morning, students. I hope that everyone of you is fine and doing well in maths. Till today, we have done how to find the roots or the solution of equation or value of x by using the quadratic equation formula. Further, today, continuing with that part, we'll do the nature of roots. Now, what do you mean by nature of roots? Nature of root is before the nature of roots. So before going for the nature of roots, we have to find d. D is discriminant, and discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So there are three situations when we find d. One, the value of d can be greater than 0. If value of d is greater than 0, then the roots or the value of x roots are real and distinct or unequal. We have already done that. Sometimes we have find the roots and both the roots are different. Second situation is d is equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. This also we have done. We have seen the roots are equal. When d is less than 0, then the roots are non-real. Right? So one by one we'll take the situation and try to find the solutions. First is, if the question is with us 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, comment upon nature of roots if real, find them. So question is very much clear. If real, meaning by if it has non-real roots, then we will not find it. So nature of roots, to find the nature of roots, we have to find d. D, as I said earlier, what is the value of d? Yes, value of d is b square minus 4ac. So b minus 3 square minus 4ac. So this is 9 minus 40, which is equal to minus 31. So d is less than 0. If d is less than 0, therefore equation has non-real root. So we will leave the question here only. We will not find, because we will find only if real. Second question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, comment upon nature of roots if real, find them. Solution: d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to 36 minus 24. So d comes to 12. So d is greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and distinct or unequal, right? So now how to find the roots? That also we know, that is b plus minus under root. Now we can write d. Why we can write d? Yes, you are absolutely right, because the value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So minus b minus minus 6 plus minus d is under root 12 by 2a. A is again 2. So this will be 6 plus minus 12. We can factorize 2 into 2 into 3. This will be 2 root 3 by 4. Now we'll take common here. Only 2 is common. We take 2 common. It will be 3 plus minus under root 3 by 4. This is also cancelled. The first value of x will be 3 plus under root 3 by 2. Second will be 3 minus under root 3 by 2. This was the simple question where we have to find the value of d, value of k, value of we have to see whether this is real roots or not, and then we have to find the value or the solution of the equation. Now if the question come 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0, find value of k when equation has real and equal roots. Solution: real and equal. So real and equal is d is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. K square minus 4 into 2 plus into 3 should be equal to 0. K square minus 24 should be equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. K should be equal to plus minus under root 24 or plus minus 2 under root 6. Right? So this was one situation. Another situation is 2x square plus 5x plus k is equal to 0. Find the value of k, number 1, when it has real and unequal roots. 2, when it has real roots. Number 3, when it has non-real roots. And last, when it has real roots. So basically these are 4 questions. So I'm trying to make you understand in one. Solution: first of all, d, b square minus 4ac, 5 square minus 4 into 2 into k, so 25 minus 8k. So first situation is when it has real and unequal roots. Then when real and unequal, then d is greater than 0. Therefore 24 5 minus 8k is greater than 0. Minus 8k is greater than minus 25. K is less than 25 by 8. Second, when it has real and equal roots. So d is equal to 0. 25 minus 8k should be equal to 0. Minus 8k should be equal to 25 minus 25, and k is equal to 25 by 8. Third, when it has non-real roots. Non-real root is d is less than 0. That means 25 minus 8k is less than 0. 8k is less than minus 25. K is greater than 25 by 8. And the last and the important is real. When we have a real roots, we have a real roots when d is greater than 0, as well as we have a real roots when d is equal to 0, because he has not specified real or equal, real or unequal, only real. So when it is greater than 0, then also it's real. When it is equal to 0, then also it's a real. So 25 minus 8k is greater than equal to 0, minus 8k is greater than equal to minus 25. So k is less than equal to 25 by 8. Now some of you must have confused with some of the things which I want to make you understand. You have to now see everything carefully. First case is if k is greater than 0, answer is k is greater than 0. Second case, if k is greater than minus 8, answer will be k is greater than minus 8. Third, if k is less than 8, so k is less than 8 is the answer. Now, if minus k is greater than 8, then when this minus moves to the other side, then what happened? Minus k is greater. So that means k is less than minus 8. Sign will be changed. Fifth, if minus k is greater than minus 8, again it will be k is less than minus 8, less than 8, because this minus, the minus is with the subject. This cannot be cancelled. We cannot write cancel. We cannot cancel this. When it moves to other side, then sign will be changed. See, we always do k is equal to 8, we cancel. It is not cancel basically. It is 8 by minus 1. Then it is cancel. Right? So you have to remember. Sixth, if minus k is less than 8, when it move, its sign will be changed. Sixth, if 8k is less than 8, then again, when both the numbers are shifted to left hand side or right hand side, k comes here and this comes there, so it will be k is greater than 8. See from this only, he says that 8 is less than, obviously it means k is greater than, right? And last one is if it is k is greater than 16, so k is greater than plus minus 4, so we write minus 4 is less than k is greater than 4. Minus 4 is less than k, that is k is greater than, then we write like this. So we have to careful. This is full-fledged chapter in your plus 1, where most of the sums on competitive exams comes from this very topic. So this is a little bit introduction which you need to know for this sum, right? So thank you very much for today. Or we can do one more sum, that is if it is 2kx squared plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0, find the value of k when it has real roots. So real root is d is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b 4 square minus 4a is 2k into 2 is greater than 0. That means 16 minus 4 to the 8 to the again 16, 8 to the 16, 824k is greater than equal to 0, minus 24k is greater than equal to minus 16. Now this minus will go there, so what will happen? 24k is less than 16, right? The minus goes there. K is less than 16 by 24, that is 2 by 3. That is our answer. That is our answer. So this is all for today. Thank you. Hope that you are able to understand and do the sums very carefully, right? Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you very much.